So hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to install onebox HD on your Amazon Fire TV. So first of all, go to setting menu on your Amazon Fire TV and go to device and software option and go to developer option and on this app from unknown sources, click on it and click turn on. After the turn on, go to home screen of your Amazon Fire TV and go to find option and click to search icon here and type here D. Just type here D and you can see here the downloader option. So click to downloader and you can see this icon of the downloader app. So install the downloader app from here, and after the install and download the downloader app, just open it and click here to enter URL and search term option. Just click on the enter URL and search term option and type here bit.ly. Just type here and click to slash button slash and now type capital 1 ONE. Just type here ONE and type here BOH. Just type this and click to go option here and wait for the connecting option here. You can see our app has been downloading process, so wait for the downloading process complete. After the complete downloading process, I will show you how to install onebox HD on your Amazon Fire TV. Now click to install option and you can see this type of here. So click on the install and wait for the installing this app. So after the installing, now click to done option and again you can see here option install, delete and done. Just click on delete and again click on delete and you can see the notification of onebox HD ready to launch. So go back to your Amazon Fire TV home screen and click to your app button. So here is the app button. Just type here, so just type here your apps button and you can see your apps from the here we are installing. So this is the onebox app. Just click on it and you can see the onebox app has been now successfully installed, and this is the first interface of the this onebox app, and you can see a TV show and movies from here. So I will suggest you, if you have used the third party app, so install the VPN from the description link and buy this VPN for the your enemies and security of privacy. So I hope you all guys like this video. If you like this video, share this video of your family and friend. Thank you for watching.